Welcome back to the second video of bringing Betsy back to life. If the first video doesn't upload, I'm going to give you a quick rundown about this truck right here. Like I said in the first video, my grandfather passed about 3 weeks ago, and he left me his Dodge Ram 1500 1998 V8 5.2 liter, and I'm just going to bring it back to life. Right now she's cranky, but she's not staying on, so I'm going to check the air filter. I put gas in it, and I'm going to check the air valve and change all that just in case. It been sent for a couple years, so I know I got to change it, but let me show y'all how it sounds and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this time to go ahead and say a disclaimer that I do not know what I am doing. I'm only watching YouTube videos and straight winging it. So if you're a mechanic or somebody who have more experience, just comment something. If you see something wrong, comment, man. Don't be negative, help me out, you know what I'm saying? Appreciate you. So like I said in the other video, the headliner already came off by itself. But here we go, listen at it, yo. So like, let's go ahead and crank it up. What? It stayed on! It stayed on! The truck just stayed on, bro. Look, in the first video, it kept cranking and cutting off. Right now, it's crunk and it's staying on. Yeah, I should definitely let that run for a little bit. I know it says check no gas in it, but this dash does not work. Well, this don't work. Oh man, it smells like straight chemicals, bro. That's insane, bro. Let's go look at it, bro. Hold on, man. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah. So welcome back. I'm just here to give you some updates from last week. I got the radiator fluid overflow tank. I took it off, cleaned it out, put it back on, obviously. So obviously we know that it's the water pump or the radiator that's making the truck run hot. Well, y'all know that. I know why it's doing that, and I'm finna show y'all right now. I know I'm not finna use a funnel, but let me show you why I'm not using the funnel. I'm gonna go and pour this in real quick. So as y'all just saw, I just poured coolant into the truck. The radiator has a leak in it. Let me see if I can get a better shot. Yeah. So that's where our leak is coming from, actually. After looking at the vid, I seen that little screw thing was loose. So what I just did is I just tightened it. That's what I just did. I don't know if y'all saw that or not, but I'm finna stand here real quick and see if it start leaking. It looked like I'm missing the holes though. I'm obviously missing a hole, obviously. I might not need a new radiator. It might just be missing some parts. The last 2 times the fluid ran straight out. But this time I've been here about 10 minutes waiting and not a drop. So I'm finna crank the truck up and see if anything happened. So while I'm doing this, man, if you notice something in this video, just comment and let me know. You know I gotta record cranking the truck up. I'm surprised she stayed on. All right, so let's see. So I'm just gonna let the truck run real quick to see if it get hot and see if that loose screw was a problem. But in the meantime, like I said, man, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just freehanding this and watching YouTube videos. So if you're a mechanic or you got more experience, please comment and let me know. And also, you know, I changed clothes, man. It's a new day. Last week it was freezing cold. It was like 30. It was 17 degrees last week. Today is 80, and that was 3 days ago. So welcome to South Carolina. So then about 3 minutes later, and it looked like I'm starting to get some smoke coming up. Yeah, I'm definitely getting some smoke come up. All right. About 3 minutes later, I still was getting smoke up, but it wasn't from the fluid leaking out of the radiator. So I probably just need a water pump. But if I buy a water pump, I'm going to buy a radiator because it'll make it a lot easier changing. Because if I'm gonna change the water pump, I'm gonna take out the radiator. I don't have to, but I'm gonna do it just to change it. That's the next things I'm gonna order. It's the water pump, radiator, watch some YouTube videos on how to change it and record me changing it. So, but being that this is the first video, I still want to show you a list of things that I'm going to change on this truck. Now it's a Dodge Ram. Of course, the dashboard is broken, and the little cushion from this done came off. So I'm gonna change the headliner. I'm going to change the dash. I'm going to change the cup holder. And I'm really not going. I'm just gonna try to get this rust off the back of this bed right here. If not, I just put a cover on it. I might keep these right here. Obviously new tires. I know I'm gonna get new exhaust. I'm gonna get some shocks and struts. Tires, obviously, you know, the common sense shit. I need some radio. What we got? Alright. Anyways, I'm also gonna get some lights, some head and brake lights. Making LEDs. This is the first installment of reviving Betsy. I'm shooting for March 2025 for her to be back on the road. So I appreciate you watching the video, man. Leave a thumbs up. Show Betsy some love, man. Y'all have a good one.